Hey guys, today we will be making some Nickelodeon slime. Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so this slime box has a lot of cool slimes, like 12 super cool slimes and 3 awesome add-ins. The add-ins are some foam balls, some sequins, colorful sequins, and then some beads. And you can make your own design, have some fun, and do whatever you want with the slime. Now let's open the box. Now let's open it. Whoa, look at all of these slimes. Whoa. Okay guys, let's see what colors we have. We have blue. We have like yellowish golden, we have shimmery golden, we have shimmery pink, shimmery silver, plain purple, the foam beads, sequins, and beads. We have plain orange slime, shimmery blue slime, shimmery purple slime, like shimmery green slime, plain green slime, and plain silver. Okay guys, now let's have some fun and mix all of these slimes and the 3 add-ins. Okay. I'm excited to mix these slimes. I want to know what color the slime is. So before we mix our slimes, comment down below which slime you think, what color slime you think we're going to have. Okay. These are all of the slimes. Now let's mix them. And now let's have fun. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get my bowl, and now I'm going to mix all of the slimes. First, I'm gonna start with orange. Oh, let's see what slime we have. Oh, I think this is like a little bit puddyish slime. Let's get some on the cover. Got off the cover. Oh, this is really sticky. So I guess we have sticky slime. Now let's put this slime in our bowl. Sticky hands. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the golden yellow. Ooh. Ah! Ooh, this is not that sticky. And look at the color. It's really pretty. Ooh. Wow. Now let's put it in the bowl. Okay. Now I'm gonna go with the shimmery green. Ooh. Wow, this is so pretty. It's very shimmery because it's shimmery green. And it's a little bit watery. Ooh. Okay, let's add it in our bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the shimmery blue. Whoa! It got out. Oh, this is not shimmery, this is glittery. Wow. It's like clear slime, but they put like blue glitter. Ooh. Okay, now let's put it in our bowl next to the golden. Now I'm gonna put the shimmery pink. Ooh, we have some orange. Oof. Ooh. Now we have some pink slime with pink and red glitter. Let's put it in our bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the shimmery purple. this looks a little bit like pink. Wow, so pretty. Now let's put it in our bowl. I'm gonna mix it in with the pink. Now let's add the plain purple. I think the plain ones are more stickier than the shimmery. Wow, this is not plain, this is shimmery. Wow, this is really pretty. I really like it. Let's put it over here. Wow, I really like the color. Now let's put silver glitter slime in our bowl. Ooh. Wow. Okay, now let's put it with our blue slime in the bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna go with the clear green. Okay. Wow, it's like a green apple and sour stuff. Green reminds me of sour stuff. Now let's put it in our bowl. I hope we have like rainbow slime. Now let's put in the plain blue slime. Wow. This is not very stretchy. It breaks easily. Now let's put it over here. Wow, we have a lot of rainbow colors in our bowl. Now let's put in the shimmery golden. Well, glitter golden because that one was shimmery. Wow. Okay, let's put it on top of our golden. Now let's put in our last container of slime. Then we're going to put in some add-ins. So this is the silver and grayish slime. Oh, I think it's gray, no silver. Okay, wow. Okay, now let's put it in here. Now let's put in all of our add-ins. First, I love foam balls, so I'm going to put them in. I'm going to put the bowl over here so they don't explode everywhere. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. And I love foam balls because they have a really good texture. Now let's put some rainbow sequins. Let's see what colors we have. Oh, we have green, pink, and I think that's it, and silver. Now let's open it and put it in our slime. Oops. Wow, that looks so pretty. Okay, now the last one, beads. I don't really like beads in slime, but I like making bracelets out of them. So I'm just going to put a little bit. Okay. Okay. Now guys, for the best part, mix all of the slime. Wow. This feels so good. I could play with the slime like all day. Wow. It's like rainbow slime, guys. So pretty. If I would ever make slime, I would only make rainbow slime. It's so pretty. And it has such a good texture. Oops. I'm gonna dump it on the table and move everything to the side. Whoop. I'm gonna make some bubbles out of the slime. Let's stretch it out. I'm gonna stretch it. Okay. Wow. I'm gonna try to make a bubble. Well, I ruined the bubble because... Oh, guys! I just realized I wasn't paying attention. It's like a bluish green and silver slime. Oh, no. let's do the Okay, let's do it again. I keep failing. It's okay. Let's make some bread, people. Or, yeah, let's make a roll. Wow. I think this is like a silver bluish color. Look. Here's our color. The best thing I love about slime is texture. I did it! Yes! I think the more you mix, that's when that's when you can make bubbles. Let's do it again. I hope I don't. No, I failed. Let's make another one. Let's first do this. 3, 2, 1. Whoop! Oh man, I thought I was not gonna fail this time. Okay, one more. Okay, I got this, please. Now! Okay, guys, I hope you liked watching this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Bye!